They don give the Zamfara state governor wey be Dauda Lawal 48 hours to apologize and to resign sake of im involvement in appointing a suspected gun runner, a jaguda person wey im name na Bashir Hadejia, as a government aide. No be small matter my good people. Dis ultimatum, dis deadline na the Arewa Progressive Youth Forum wey be APYF na issue am, and they dey accuse the state government of attempting to deceive the public by issuing conflicting appointment letters. The president of the Arewa Progressive Youth Forum wey be Muhammadu Kabir, he come condemn the actions of the state government. The way this man take put mouth, take talk the talk, e come make the matter e come spread, and he come mention the emergency of 2 appointment letters wey dey carry the same date, wey dey carry the same signature and the same content. Inside the Zamfara state government, their shocking attempt to deceive the general public regarding the appointment of Bashir Hadejia, wey be suspected gun runner, wey be jaguda person, as an aide to Governor Dauda Lawal, e dey make them para away. Like this now, they no get joy at all. And no be lie, my good people, that kind of level, you no go blame the people at all, because e go make them no go come dey safe for inside their own state. Imagine when you come hear news say your governor don appoint one jaguda person, one criminal like that, wey all of them know very well say this one e own no good at all. You come hear say your governor don appoint that person as an aide. Normally that kind of level e reach to make anybody fear. E go make them come dey wonder if dem dey safe for their own state. Meanwhile, my good people, one source for inside the state house for inside Zamfara don dey yarn give tori people say that document na forge dem forge am o, and the Zamfara state dey disown that document because e no come from them. They say the document e no dey exist for inside the Zamfara state government their record. Instead, this na a mischievous attempt by some political rivals, those people no mean well for the government, to link im principal with Hadejia saga. And so this source now dey tell tori people. But however, my good people, as the Arewa Progressive Youth Forum dey hear this one, they no gree still rest. They no believe am. They say this na blatant lie. They come dey describe am as a big fat lie and an attempt from the state government to mislead the general public, and they come dey express their concern over the state government, their potential complicity in criminal activities. They come dey yarn whether this their state government sure say they never dey support bad thing, sure say they never dey sponsor criminal activities for inside we country. This one wey they don go appoint gun runner, they come still dey forge. They come still come outside dey yarn say the appointment is not real. All these kind of levels them. The president of the forum wey be Muhammadu Kabir, he come dey yarn say this resemblance wey these 2 appointments dem get, e too resemble, so they no go come fit differentiate which one be real and which one be fake. And this kind of thing no be coincidence. No be like say the thing just happen, say na mistake or something like that, or na plan work. No, the thing happen for real. This one no be say na wine. So they dey condemn the government their purported support for individuals wey dey linked to criminal activities. This betrayal now of public trust, e dey come at a time wey be say Zamfara state still dey battle with big insecurity challenges like that. The youth forum now dey call for a thorough investigation onto the matter, and they dey insist say those people dey responsible for this katakata, so those people dey responsible for this argument, they need to be held accountable. They need to catch that person and make sure say the person go face the full wrath of the law. He don play the music, he must dance to am. Anyhow the informate be for body, my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. I still bring another interesting informate for you. The koko be say, based on the dirty play wey happen for the Supreme Court premises on Friday, the Kogi State chapter of the All Progressive Congress don drop claim say their supporters were attacked too by hoodlums and their vehicles collect better damage, no be small. One country person wey im name na Kingsley Fanwo, he na director of media and publicity for the Kogi APC campaign council. Na im dey drop this allegation for inside one statement wey he arrange for inside Lokoja. He come dey yarn for inside this statement Say the attacks now e start when supporters of the Social Democratic Party wey be SDP dey come dey throw things and things like stone, bottle and plastic containers. Dey dey stone am dey give the supporters of the All Progressive Congress and their leaders. Normally those kind level e no make sense. Dat na wetin we dey call violence and we no dey support am, you understand? Im come still dey yarn say all dis matter now e happen immediately after the Supreme Court come drop their judgement. E come confirm Governor Usman Ododo as the confirmed and original elected governor of Kogi State. No be small matter my good people. Oga Fanwo come still dey claim say the SDP candidate wey be Murtala Ajaka he ignore the advice of the court wey dem tell am say make him sit down until all the matter wey dem carry come we are fully addressed. He no lis ten. As they just pronounce Oga Ododo as the governor, he just stand up, him and his supporters, and so dem just dey waka comot. Now you see this matter, my good people, e just be like when Man U and Chelsea dey play match. If you be Man U fan, make nothing carry you go where Chelsea dey, you come dey watch the match. Because if Man U score, you come go mistake shout goal, you go collect. Or e come be like this Nigeria and South Africa beef. Nigerians now wey dey for South Africa as this thing dey happen, if they just by mistake celebrate small, they go collect. So as they come dey court now, the supporters of SDP come notice say na APC na win the matter. Sharply they come unleash violence. They come dey attack the APC members wey dey celebrate their victory, and e come bring ogbonge disruption of peace in the environment. E come cause better katakata. All this my good people na the claim of the All Progressive Congress. And last they come dey describe the performance, the things and things wey the SDP supporters dem do. They say that na undemocratic performance and it is uncivilized. But however, my good people, the APC come dey thank God for preserving the mandate of the Kogi State people at the Supreme Court, and he come promise to continue to dey deliver to the people democracy to all residents in line with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. Now, as Isaiah Ijele wey be the spokesperson for Mura Sam Campaign Council of the SDP for inside Kogi State, as im hear the claim wey the All Progressive Congress dem drop, the thing no go down well with am. E no nice for im ear at all. Im come dey yarn say this APC their claim na false and e dey pretentious. Those people now they dey pretend. Oga Ijele say na the SDP governorship candidate wey be Ajaka and his supporters na dem attack, no be the APC supporters. And na dem wey be the SDP na suppose to dey complain. Na dem suppose to dey yarn say the things and things wey APC supporters dey do the SDP supporters e dey undemocratic and uncivilized, not the other way around. This na the information wey I say make I share give you my good people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you would like to receive legit news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another legit news for you my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.